As you can see, my stops have been moved to break even for a one-to-one at that point. What's up guys, what's up, it's your boy XO, and in this video I will be live trading the forex market and showing you guys my best and most highly profitable forex trading strategy on how to use the EMA, which stands for exponential moving average, and Fibonacci break and retests and retracements and engulfing candlestick, price action, and all those good stuff in this video. So guys, will I make a profit in this video? Let's find that out in this video. So watch this video to the end to see my reasons behind every trade, my stops, my targets, my entries, my reasons for trading, and all those good stuff. And also, only a small percentage of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, please make sure to subscribe. It's free and you can always unsubscribe. Alright guys, so let me just get this out of the way. This video is going to be a pre-recorded video, so the voicing you're going to be hearing is me talking after I've taken the trades, because it's quite difficult to keep up the pace while I'm trading and talking at the same time. I actually sometimes miss some entries, and it's quite difficult and really annoying, because when I'm trying to explain something, the price just quickly moves and I miss that entry and have to wait for a new one. So I've decided that I will take the trades, then come back later and break down and analyze and explain to you guys every reasons behind the trades. I hope that's fine with you guys. If that's not fine, then please just drop a comment and let me know guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get into the video. Alright guys, so at this point you can see a breakout at this point, and I'm on gold USD on the 3-minute time frame. So as you can see, I saw this breakout at this point, and I saw this engulfing candlestick right after the breakout. Like I used to say this, the 200 EMA, a breakout, and an engulfing candlestick right after that. So let's take a trade for a sell, and let me bring out my position tool and let's see the stop loss and the pip size and all those good stuff. So your stop just above the engulfing candlestick, just slightly above, and let's take our stop loss and let's take this trade. Alright guys, so the trade has been placed, so let me fix this position tool to be at the right spot. Alright, so guys, like I said, your stops just slightly above that engulfing candlestick. Alright guys, so I'm targeting this low at this point, but that's entirely not necessary. So I'm just my overall profit target is a 2-to-1, as you can see at this point, a 2-to-1. But like as always guys, we have to move our stops to break even once we achieve a 1-to-1. all right. Alright guys, so as you can see, we lost this trade. All right, we lost this trade, the first, I think, okay, this is the first trade for this strategy, and we lost it. So let's wait for a new setup. All right, the trade went straight into a loss, so let's wait for a new setup. Alright guys, so I found this new entry at this point. Alright, so let's take this trade right here, real quick, because this is the 3-minute time frame, so we don't want to be slow on this trade. So let's take this trade really quick. So my stop's just slightly above that high, that engulfing candlestick highs, and my take profit target, you guys, if you want to, you can use a 1.5, the ATR value, but based on my experience in this trading and some things I'm seeing in the market, my stops is perfectly fine at that point. So I took this trade right here. So for a 1-to-1, move your stops to break even, and for a 1-to-2, close the entire trade. So let's mark that spot out for a 1-to-1. So once the price gets to that point, we'll move our stops to break even, and for a 1-to-2, then we'll close the entire trade. Alright guys, as you can see, the price is moving straight into profit, so let's wait for the result of this trade. And yeah, 1,400 plus, so let's wait for the result of this trade. Alright guys, as you can see, we got a 1-to-1 on this trade, so our stops should be moved to break even automatically. So as you can see, my stops have been moved to break even for a 1-to-1 at that point. As you can see, my stops is on the break even at my entry level, so that is the break even. So let's just wait for the result of this trade. As you know, we've lost one trade, and let's see the result of this trade. Alright guys, so as you can see, this trade ended up being a break even trade. So you guys remember that I moved my stops to break even once we hit a 1-to-1 on this trade. So the price went up and retraced back, and it clearly took us out for a break even. So we won nothing on this trade and we lost nothing on this trade. Alright guys, so this is the third trade for the day. I saw this this setup. Let me draw my Fibonacci tool from the top to the bottom of this this trend, from the breakout straight to the retracement. So at this 50 zone, I can see kind of a signal, but there's no clear entry yet. So let's wait for the entry. Oh guys, I'm so sorry. I saw this entry, this engulfing candlestick, and I took my trade there, and I completely forgot to turn on the recorder. So the price just moved straight into profit, and it moved a 1-to-1 point, a 1-to-1, and I forgot to even move my stops to break even. If not, this would have been a break even trade, and I just left it to just run to a 1-to-1.5 on this trade. And as you can see, a 1-to-1.5 was a win on this trade. So this is kind of like a lucky kind of win for this strategy. So most times my strategy is more likely a break even strategy, but when I win big. So guys, very soon I'll be sending out signals to my free VIP Telegram group, and so that whenever I take a trade, I'll send it out to them so we can take the trade together. Just that I just want that Telegram group to hit 100 subscribers before I start sending out signals. So if you're interested, click the link in the description to join the free VIP Telegram group, just to help us hit 100 subscribers. Then I'll start sending out free signals like this. Whenever I'm taking a live trade like this, I'll be sending it straight up to you guys, so you guys can follow and catch some free, some free pips. All right guys, so today's live trading, we had one break-even trade, one losing trade, and one winning trade. All right, so it's better to take a break-even trade. Like I always say, it's better to take a break-even trade than to take a losing trade. So we took one loss, one win, and one break-even trade, and the win was even kind of a lucky win. Like I wasn't even paying attention to the trade. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video. All right guys, so really quick, I just want to say big thank you to all of you guys who subscribe. We just hit 100 subscribers. That is a huge milestone for me. Big shout out to all of you guys. Thank you. Alright guys, so if you want to trade with me live every single day, click the link in the description to join my free VIP Telegram group. It's free. You can always unsubscribe. Alright guys, so if you found value in this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment on what video you want to see next, and I will try my best to make it. Like I said, you never know guys, this video could change someone's life. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your boy XO, and I'm signing out. Stay XO.